Hello guys, welcome to the new video of wfixing today. So we are going to see that use quick access to speed up your navigator, how you can speed up your navigation, navigate your favorite files faster in Windows 10 with quick access. Okay, so how to do that? So first of all guys, why it is really useful, how busy in your favorite folders you likely have your downloads, pictures, music and documents. Then you might have folders from shared networks, business or work accounts. Okay, and then all the cloud storage solutions we seem to accumulate. Each folder serves a different purpose, so each is different and they aren't always immediately accessible, and that is sometimes extremely irritating. Okay, so that quick access will do away with the some of the daily file handling frustration by expanding on the pinned file aspect of the favorites bar and making the entire idea of favorite folders are more relevant. So how will they do that, you ask? So for that we are going to see solution, what does it to do or how to do that. Okay, so first of all we have to see how to do that. It does it like this. So we have to go to quick access. We are going to file explorer here. So you can see here my quick access folder. Okay, so for that what we have to do is, if you have to quick access some folder means just select, I will select here videos folder. Okay, so for that we have to, what we have to do is just right click on that and just right click on that. Okay, and we have to pin it to quick access. So you can do that. If you see here, you can, if you have the option that is pinned to quick access, just click on that, your videos will be pinned. Okay, you have to remove, if you want to remove, then you can remove it from here, just express that. Okay, so that was the unpin from quick access. You will unpin the folder. So guys, next is how you can do that directly. Files and folders you don't want, that you can remove from quick access too. Okay, so you can find the same pre-skip folders. Then directly how you can do that? You can do that by directly drag and drop functionality. So just go click documents and drag here. You will see here the documents folder. Click music and drag here, drop here, sorry. So you can directly drop here and make it quick access and unpin from quick access to here. Okay, so that was the solution, that you can directly quick access some files from here which are daily in use. So further, aside from Windows 10 moving folder view setting to the toolbar, the folder layouts are as we remember. However, we can alter the folder layout further by selecting view options. So how you can select folder options? We have to go to view options, change folder and search options. Okay, so you go to here and then we can go to properties. Okay, you can see here the security sharing, security location, previous we have to go to security share. You can share it from here for the quick access. Okay, and yeah, so that was one of the solution guys. So next is so I thought we already covered the topic how you can navigate. So you can directly remove and add elements to quick access to your desktop, your downloads, documents, pictures, series and etc. And these are showing because I randomly use these folders many times, so it will show here in the quick access. Okay, if you doesn't pin it here too. Okay, so for that you can directly select here and you can pin the quick access button. So thanks for the video guys, because the video was too short because of we don't have that much solutions to this, or we can directly access your work from here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks.